Hi guys, this is back. Ubuntu is finished installing, and a dialog box kind of comes up and it says the installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the installation. So just have to restart the virtual machine, and once it's restarted, we should be able to be booted into Ubuntu, and the installation should be 100% complete. So I'm just going to hit restart now and let it restart. As it's just loading back up into Ubuntu, should reach and should be able to get into the Ubuntu desktop now. Got an error message saying it seems that you do not have the hardware required to run Unity. Please choose Ubuntu Classic at the login. So if you're installing this on a physical machine, then you probably won't have this problem if you have got the graphics. But for some reason, I'm running this on a virtual machine, and my computer hasn't got a dedicated graphics card. It's got on board, so maybe this is causing problems. But normally when you're installing Ubuntu, if you have got a dedicated graphics card, then you probably won't see this error, or again if you're installing it in a physical machine. So you shouldn't see this when you're installing it. So I'm just going to hit close. This shouldn't affect anything with Ubuntu. It just means that I'll have the basic kind of look. I won't have the Unity look in Ubuntu. And now you can hear the welcome music there. It's the Ubuntu welcome music, and looks like we're into the desktop. So it looks like we've managed to successfully make it to the desktop, and everything seems to be working fine. So it looks like everything's working fine and everything's installed okay. So hopefully you've learnt how to now install Ubuntu. It looks like there's an update. So when you're using Ubuntu, updates and upgrades will come up like this, and I'll let you know that there's a new version out. I'm not going to bother doing that right now. So, like I was saying, I hope that you've learned something from the video and you now know how to install Ubuntu if you wish to do so, either on a physical machine or a virtual machine. So if you're going to install on a virtual machine, you just follow all the steps that I was doing today, and like I said before, a physical machine, you follow all the same steps while installing Ubuntu. All the steps are exactly the same, except that with a physical machine you have to burn the image to a disk, and I'll make a tutorial about doing that later on, how to burn an image to a disk. And then you put that disk into your computer and then hit the function key that allows you to go to the boot option screen, and then you just select from that menu you want to boot from a CD, and it'll take you to that welcome screen that you saw in the beginning of the video on the virtual machine. So again, I hope you learned something and you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon in another video. So see you later guys, bye.